Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today. Our word of the day is charity. It's an A2 level noun, and it means help given to those in need. So, what exactly is charity? Well, in simple terms, it's the act of giving money, food, or other assistance to people who are poor, sick, or otherwise in need. It's about showing kindness and compassion to those less fortunate than ourselves. We often think of charity as donations to organizations that work to alleviate suffering, but it can also involve volunteering your time or offering support to individuals directly. Now, let's explore some synonyms for charity. A word that closely resembles it is benevolence. For example, the millionaire was known for his benevolence, donating large sums to various causes. Another synonym is generosity. We can say, her generosity in volunteering at the soup kitchen was greatly appreciated. And a third synonym is humanitarianism. A sentence using this could be, the organization promotes humanitarianism through its disaster relief efforts. Now, let's look at some antonyms. Words with opposite meanings. One antonym for charity is greed. For example, his greed prevented him from sharing his wealth with others. Another antonym is selfishness. We could say, her selfishness was evident in her refusal to help those in need. A third antonym is meanness. The landlord's meanness towards his tenants was shocking. Let's delve into how we use charity in everyday life. You might hear someone say, they are running a charity marathon to raise money for cancer research. Or, our company supports a local charity every year. We also often talk about charity shops, which are stores that sell donated goods to raise money for charity. Common expressions involving charity include phrases like doing something out of charity, which means doing something without expecting anything in return, or giving to charity, which refers to donating money or goods to a charitable organization. Here are some more example sentences and phrases using charity. The charity provides food and shelter for the homeless. She volunteers at a charity that helps underprivileged children. They organized a charity auction to raise funds. His donation to the charity was very generous. The charity works to improve the lives of people in developing countries. They are collecting clothes for charity. The charity provides support for families affected by poverty. The charity is dedicated to helping animals in need. We are holding a charity event to raise awareness. The charity relies on donations from the public. The spirit of charity is alive and well in our community. The charity provides education and training opportunities. The charity is working to combat hunger and malnutrition. Her act of charity inspired others to give back. The charity provides medical assistance to those who cannot afford it. So, to recap, charity is an A2 level noun that means help given to those in need. We explored synonyms like benevolence, generosity, and humanitarianism, and antonyms like greed, selfishness, and meanness. We also looked at how charity is used in everyday language, from donating to organizations to volunteering your time. Thank you so much for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you learned something new about the word charity. Your support helps others find the show, and I'd be incredibly grateful if you could subscribe to the podcast and leave a review on your favorite platform. It really makes a difference. Don't forget to create your own sentence using the word charity and share it as a comment under the video. I'm excited to see what you come up with. Until next time, happy learning!